Make a splash this spring on your next epic adventure. And join us as we escape to the hidden back falls and pools of Seven Falls. God, this is gorgeous, the views through here. Slide in and fully immerse yourself in this epic hiking destination. Now let's get right into this incredible excursion. Hey guys, we're out in the Los Padres Mountains again. This time, where?
Santa Barbara.
Santa Barbara. We're gonna hit up Seven Falls and the back three pools. Last time we went, we didn't get to the pools. So this time we're going there. It's only about 57 degrees, so to get in is gonna be cold. I think I'm gonna do it though.
Too cold for me anyway. He might do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. See you there, guys. Follow us as we make our way delightfully up the trail, down to the creek, and we're gonna give you step-by-step directions on how to get to the back pools. But it wouldn't be a complete hike video if we didn't show you the Seven Falls. So we're crossing this creek here. We're gonna head up into the mountains and the views are breathtaking. Come along. No, we're moving. God, this is gorgeous, the views through here. It's fairly steep here, guys. Hopefully the camera will show it. So check Heidi out. She's using two ropes, almost like canyoneering. It's just not around her hips.
I didn't bring my gloves today because I didn't think we were going to go down.
Oh, good catch, yeah. This section on the decline down to Seven Falls is a little technical, but it gets a lot more rough to get to the back falls. Stay with us. Yeah, you can find these beautiful pools just to the right as you come down that decline with the ropes. In the other direction, you're going to find the Seven Falls. Can't wait to show you. Seven Falls is now open, guys. Just as beautiful as ever. Hey, did you know that this waterfall is actually a water slide as well? But always check the depth before you slide in.
Be careful.
If you want to get to the other pools in the five back falls, you're going to have to do some technical climbing. Last time I came, there was a rope. Wasn't here this time. And when you get to that tree that I'm going to, you could take that rope and let yourself in. If you want to get into those, bring a rope. I think it's impossible unless you're a true mountain climber. We met Austin here on the trail, and he's going to go down that water slide. Check it out. All right, we got someone going for it. Yeehaw. Yeah, you're ready. Here we go! Yeah! You got me wet on that one, bro.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, it's like 50 degrees. Right on, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
That was awesome. Enjoy the chill vibe of viewing the Seven Falls before we head out to go beyond them into the secret pools in the back. And it is a tough journey to get there, but I'll put a link to a video we made last summer and you can see what we did inside these pools and how beautiful they really are. Well, we're heading back up to go to the back falls. Can't wait to see it. Haven't been there yet. I always love it up here on this cliff. Nice. I can hear the guys in the pools. If you're allergic to bees, bring your EpiPen. We got a lot going on here with the flowers. And you're gonna have some rock scrambling over and over. Oh, this is the vantage point right here. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Just to the left of this fall is where you're going to find the passage into the creek all the way to the back pools. So when you see this tranquil spot, go to the left and I'll show you what you gotta do. So you're gonna have a little bit of a tricky climb right here. Richard's showing you how. There is a cable. You might want to bring rope to tie it to the cable. I wish I would have had it for Heidi. And this is where you're gonna end up. This little tight space. Heidi's leading us the way. That's the hardest part so far on this trail. I remember we got here last time and then we got stuck somewhere in the process. So this time we're gonna make it.
The ants, the fighting ants, those are horrible.
If they attack us, you won't like it.
Yeah, they all, remember they swarmed towards us?
I'm thinking the bees. Oh, what a pretty swim hole.
Oh.
Nice work, Heidi. No, this is gonna be like Black Star Canyon.
Woo. Okay.
So we were on the right route last time. We just didn't go far enough. Can't wait to see those back pulls. We're making it up as we go along here. So to get to the back pulls, you're just gonna do a lot of creek rock hopping, a lot of climbing and bouldering to get there. And I already slipped and fell and I skinned up myself pretty good, so be careful, guys. There's part of it, some of it, and more of it. Yeah, it's quite a trek, isn't it? No one shows this part, so you don't know what you're in for, but we were saying it reminds us of Black Star Canyon, the last quarter mile. You're gonna do some major rock climbing. When you come to these huge boulders, you're gonna make a hard right and go to the far right and go around them. Ooh, we made it. Hopefully it gets a little easier. Hey guys, just a heads up, there is poison oak here. I got it lightly, but be on alert. There is no trail. It is just the creek, guys, the whole way. Sorry to say that, but there's just no easy way. Whoa. Way to go, Heidi.
Watch out for sticks sticking up in between the rocks. You can get impaled. Here's your water.
Yay!
Woo! Yeah! It feels like it's never ending. Oh my goodness.
Do your stair stepper before you come for a week. So Heidi slipped in this next clip, and the reason we're showing you this is because she was trying to keep her shoes dry by stepping on dry rocks, and it really put her in an awkward position. See what happens. Oh, shoot, shoot, shoot! No! What did we just say? Shoot, are you okay, babe? Oh, man. So, sorry we had to film that live, babe, but that's what we're talking about.
Yep.
All right. We both got ours. Richard's next. You ready?
No thanks.
All right. Shoot, are you all right?
Yep.
Oh, you got no phone today. You're good.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
But
No
I'm
broken
so-
bones, no twisted ankles.
No.
That was scary,
I
guys.
said, well, it felt good anyway.
Did it?
Cold.
Oh.
Oh well.
All right. Heidi's a trooper. She's tough. I'll tell you. She's as tough as they get.
It's actually a lot safer to just go ahead and get your shoes wet.
And I think we're coming to the first pool. Isn't that beautiful?
That's so pretty. Oh my goodness. What a cool little private.
Oh, so worth it. That was so worth it. Wow. And the sun's on it. It's about 12 o'clock. I did filter water here, and look how clear it is. Oh, look at that beautiful fall. Well, we're gonna go check out pool 2 and pool 3. Let's go. So we gotta go where Richard is. Point the way, Richard. So here's the path up. I'll see you up at the top, let you know how it goes. Well, actually I can't climb. No good? Oh, a cramp? Uh-oh. So this is hidden pool number 2, and as we pan over to the right, that's pool number 1, where we just left and climbed up. Pool number 3 is actually about another quarter mile past this, and there's a little bit of a technical climb to get down here. Do you want to see what it looks like underwater? I always do. So let's check it out. The depth of this pool is just above my waist, maybe 4 feet. Just make your way over these cascades and you'll be there. Hidden pool number 3 looked like a puddle, but it was a deep rock pool. Check it out.
Really?
Make sure if you boulder jump here to go out a little farther into the deep end, which is close to where I'm getting out. Just a heads up, the water slide's not safe. It has a bump, it'll launch you out and you'll hit your head. That was deep. Would you look at the color of that? It's turquoise. After fully saturating ourselves in these hidden pools of Seven Falls, we decided to head back. But if you're planning on coming here, there's a few things you need. A rope, trail runners, navigation with all trails because the trails get tricky, and prepare to come early because the parking is limited. We got the last spot. Well, until our next adventure, remember, explore nature with us, one bite at a time. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.